A very good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Ram from the Department of Orthopedics doing postgraduate residency in Narayana Medical College. Today, I am here to discuss about the World Arthritis Day. World Arthritis Day is celebrated across the world on the October 12th every year. The success of this World Arthritis Day is promoting the awareness about the arthritis. Arthritis. Arthritis is an inflammatory disease of the joint and the connective tissue around it. The type and the severity varies according to the person and the presenting complaints. The various types of arthritis are the degenerative arthritis like osteoarthritis, the septic arthritis, the inflammatory arthritis like rheumatoid arthritis, the metabolic arthritis like gout, and the post-traumatic arthritis. Arthritis is an utterly debilitating disease affecting almost every 1 in 5 individuals across the world of age greater than 60 years. The risk factors of the arthritis are the old age, the female gender, and the ligamentous instability, and repetitive overuse, and weak muscle strength. The key in management of the arthritis are early diagnosis and early intervention with prompt lifestyle modifications. And this can be achieved by the repetitive early screening by the clinical and radiological investigations. The clinical picture of arthritis is the pain, which is the hallmark of the arthritic disease, associated with difficulty in performing the daily activities such as the running, the squatting, the cycling, and other joint movement activities. The treatment of the arthritis varies depending upon the severity and the type of arthritis. In the early stages, the lifestyle modification is utmost paramount important. The lifestyle modifications are having a healthy diet, having a healthy weight loss, avoiding the fried foods, escaping from the obesity, and maintaining good muscle strength. The maintaining good muscle strength can be achieved by the performing the regular walking and exercise like calf and leg strengthening exercises. There are a few don'ts in the arthritis. The things that we're supposed to avoid during arthritis are sitting cross-legged, squatting position, and smoking. Even avoiding junk foods are utmost important because they can lead to the obesity. The pain, which is the hallmark of the arthritis, can be managed by the over-the-counter drugs like NSAIDs, which are like our aspirin and brufen. In case of rheumatoid arthritis, they can be managed by disease-modifying anti-rheumatoid arthritis drugs. The moderate cases can be managed by the PRP therapy injections intra-articularly, intra-arterial steroids, and viscosupplementation. Although the role of these interventions are slightly controversial. The advanced arthritis is utterly debilitating and associated with deformities. These deformities and this severity of diseases can be managed only by either osteotomies, and in severe cases, the replacement is necessary and arthroplasties are performed. So, on this day, I would like to highlight the importance of the lifestyle modifications. They are the healthy diet, healthy weight, and a healthy approach, quit smoking, and avoiding the squatting, repetitive exercises, and climbing stairs. Thank you. Let's all the pledge about the promoting the awareness of the disease. Let's all fight it together collectively, and let's prevent the disease collectively, and have a happy walking with a good joints. Thank you.